Hey everyone, in today's video we'll show you how to change your Google Chrome theme to make your browser look totally new, dark, colorful, and even custom. So let's just get started. Start by opening up your Chrome, go to your Google Chrome application, and once you go to your Google Chrome, you can go ahead and access your settings. Look out for the three dot in the top and click on it, and then you can select the option of settings here and select it. Once you select settings, what you need to do is on the left sidebar, you can click on the option of appearance. And once you select it, here you'll be finding different options, including the option called theme. So find it up and select it. And that will open up the Chrome theme section of the web store in your right-hand side. So you can here browse through categories. We should be finding light, dark, and even different themes available here. So if you want this theme right here, you can select that, or even green. We have pink, purple, the one that you want to choose. We even have this right here that lets us custom. You can choose from this color picker right here and choose the one that you prefer. And once it is done, you can just go ahead and cross this out and save your changes. It will instantly apply your new theme without doing anything. If you want to go to the original look, what you can do is again go ahead and reset it to default. You can go to the appearance section once again and select this option called reset to default, and that will revert it back to default. But this is it. That is how you make your Chrome now a brand new. You can just go over and look out for the changes applied, and that is how you do it. So that is it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.